Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a PENGU targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Brilliant example how the initiation accumulation pump model works. Two sides till penny. I'm not buying the PENGU. I'm not buying here. I'm not buying in the next zone. But it's impossible to buy every single tokens. So it's one take. Second one, if you up to your own risk. First of all, watch it. The main first video what I posted about a PENGU here, around here after listing. Some tokens, move more accurate because there are more accurate market makers with the bots. And take a look, everything what you see on the chart, it's not random, guys. Absolutely, it's not random. And finally, this is amazing example. This just brilliant example. How the price delivered from the one zone to the second one, consolidation, and to the top for fixation profit. Another question, why people hop into token after 1000% gains? For what? For what? For 30%? For 20%? It's insane. Of course, the market makers, the whale's gonna fix the profit. It's so obvious, right? That's why don't be greedy, and highly recommend you go and finally watch the first video about a PENGU. Second one, go and check the initiation accumulation pump model and use this model by yourself, totally for free for all tokens after leasing. Do I regret so I'm not hopping into PENGU? Of course not. Of course not. I'm realistic. I can't buy every single tokens. Of course, I'm not jealous because, for example, at this block, we could drop like this one, like StarkNet, like IVO, like BBL, like, I don't know, many other tokens. So of course we got a chance to drop like this one. We can't know the future. That's why it's only and always up to your own risk. The same story, guys, all of this story can be with any token. With any token, we can't know which one token will be selected next one for the pump by market makers. That's why we just choose some tokens, accumulate that token, and wait the same model, the same zones for distribution. So why it was so logical to buy PENGU here? It was logical because it was the last zone to buy based on the initiation accumulation pump model. First of all, take a look. Till penny, test 23 by FIB. After that, before that, a test 61, drop, accumulation in the best zone to buy. After that, you saw the campaign, just a marketing campaign from the Coinbase, from the Binance, many influencers add to their avatar in Twitter, the Penguin avatars. So it's just a part of the marketing. Of course, the people push the price higher. And after that, now I'm more than sure some whales gonna fix the profit. Does it mean the PENGU will crash it down to zero? Of course not. Of course not. Market makers will do everything what they have to do, till the end, till their plan. And what the plan do they have in mind, we can't know because the plan given them by venture funds. So next one was so obvious zone here. Second one, take a look there, 0.5 level by FIB, tested. This also was a zone for accumulation, and this is a zone of fixation. You could fix a profit here by logic and here. What next? We can't know. Locally, if we will see the deeper correction, guys, in August, it can be like a double bottom. Yes, it sounds weird, but first of all, we can drop to 2 cents 18 if they get a plan to push the altcoins lower in August, right? Because we can't know, or it can be the August or September. Anyway, I think we will see the correction. So here we're going to be the logical correction to the weekly gap. 23 by FIB, 2 cents 18, 1 cent 17 and 71. So this is what I wish to see on a PENGU. You can call it the cup and handle and go higher. So this is a perfect scenario for August. This just will be the brilliant scenario. And if, guys, if we will drop to these blocks, like 1 cent 43, 1 cent 77, 2 cents 18, and hold the line around these blocks and go higher, it will be so amazing confirmation. So everything driven by market makers, just by soft, because they need. If we talk about a target, so if it will be the cup and handle, so here is around 10 cents. 10 cents, it will be the first zone where we need to fix a profit. If we talk about, guys, targets and the profit, so let's count from the bottom. So 10 cents, it will be like 2,000 to 600% gains. Amazing result. Amazing result. Just the same model like with, I don't know, with the SUI, I don't remember, the world token. The many tokens playing out by this model. Many of them. But the same way, the many tokens still around here. So think about it. Which token to buy? Of course, guys, not all tokens will pump like, like crazy, like PENGU, because the PENGU get a great marketing. But think about the zone of accumulation and use this free model. To buy the PENGU now or not, guys, it's only up to you. If you're ready, if you will feel comfortable for potential drop like, let's say 61% on the spot, you can buy now. It's only up to you. My zone of interest, so it's a 0.5 level. If this block, so this block, it's the zone of interest. This one and second one. I don't have any other zone of interest. And if you're ready to buy from these current prices, you can wait, for example, to 10 cents, like 167%. But better, of course, wait this one to get like potential 600. Also, people write in the comment, why I'm not buying the PENGU, because you tell me you're not buying. I'm not buying because I don't have unlimited budget. Why you're not buying? I have no idea. Because I already bought the tokens. I'm not that stupid influencer who showed you, I'm buying every single token. It's impossible, guys. It's impossible. It's a lie. It's a lie. Nobody get unlimited budgets. Nobody. Also, take a look there. If we will form the local head and shoulder, this one. So this is a left shoulder, left head. Now we should drop to 2 cents 86. 2 cents, 86, 3 cents 63. The size of this head and shoulder will be exactly around this block. It will be just an amazing. Just an amazing. Let's double check, guys, with the indicator set what's going on now and what happened before. So here, all this period, the whales accumulate on a daily. You could track everything by yourself. After that, we formed a huge daily divergence, bearish one. Fixation, 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 and fixation at the top. Here was signals to buy. Here was signals to fixation of the profit. Here was this belief capitulation. This is a FRIA. Now it's not a time to buy, guys. It's not a time to buy here. The last time to buy was here in June 16. More or less, you could buy. I skip it. Now it's at top. We're in distribution. Can we form the divergence on the weekly and go higher to the 10 cents to 20 cents and form divergence on ADZ? Of course possible. We can't know the future. We build a plan. So my plan, I share with you here, I share with you here, and I share with you now. So my plan is to drop to this block. Should we drop? I have no idea, but it's my plan. This is what I would like to see on the chart, on the based on this metrics. Direction, not an accumulation zone. Market mood, not an accumulation zone. So this is a area. Money power, money outflow. 1, 2, 3 weeks money outflow. The whales fix it. They treat you to hop in here, and now they fix the profit. Here was a money inflow, and here how they treat the people with the marketing. Here where they fix, here where they fix, here where they fix. Nice one. So I'll be not surprised, guys, if next week we'll drop to, I don't know, to 2 cents 21. I'll be not surprised. If not, congrats everybody who hold it. Good one. Trade on daily. The last one, signals to buy, was here, and after that only small distribution, no signals to buy yet. The last one signal was here. Also, the people write in the comment, oh, take a look, this candle is a sell signal appear when the candle close. But bro, you can open the chart and open position not on a daily candle close. You can open position on a 1 hour time frame and get a better win rate strategy. So here, it's up to you risk, up to your own risk. Here, it could be your risk, let's say like 5%. 5% risk, 10% with second leverage, drop to 27 block, 19%, so almost 40% profit with a second leverage. Why not? Of course, it's possible to trade, but it's impossible to trade only with only one single indicator trade on. You have to work in a complex. That's why now no signal to buy, guys. Yes, we got some buy back, but it's not a buy. It's not a buy signal. Locally, of course, you can catch some movement. So I don't see, guys, any reason. Let's add alert to take profit indicator. Trade on, take profit signal from the sell, this one. So this is what I wish to see. Take profit, guys, indicator here also. So obvious. I'm more than sure we're gonna test the exit line like 2 cents 81. After that, we're gonna test the take profit line 2 cents 52. Lines are dynamic. Daily, even lower. 2 cents 35. Exit take profit to 2 cents round number. Buy line now it's 1 cent round and 0.207. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to fundamental value of this token, but I think once again. So this is my plan. Some consolidation and drop to the buy line. Buy line till that time will be or here or here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please in a comment who fixed a profit on a PENGU, who hold it, who still hold it, who buy more. Right, please in a comment. And I hope you watched the first video. By the way, highly recommend you go and check the main intuition accumulation pump model educational video. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.